Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Morgan from Morganic Essentials, and today we are making a delicious chickpea lentil curry. It's like a superfood meal. You've got your fiber, protein, and between the seasonings and your garlic and ginger, really good for your immune system. It's really good for your body, and it tastes good too. So I'm gonna start by adding some ghee to my pot and just go ahead and melt that down. And then now I'm gonna add about half an onion, about a tablespoon of fresh ginger and fresh garlic, and just go ahead and saute that around in the skillet. Now I'm gonna add in about a half of a diced tomato and just keep stirring that around so it doesn't get stuck to the bottom of the pan. And here's where we're gonna season. So I'm gonna do about half a teaspoon of thyme, a tablespoon of curry powder, and season liberally with curry powder. You can do it to taste. You can add more if you want. And then I've got about a half a teaspoon of onion powder, about a half a teaspoon of garam masala, and then about a half a teaspoon of garlic powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric. I like it spicy, so I added in some dashes of cayenne. Probably about half a teaspoon of that too. And then a couple cups of water, or you can use chicken broth if you have it, but water will be just fine here. It's gonna deglaze the pan. All right, so now is where we're gonna add our lentils. I did about a cup of lentils that had been soaking overnight, and then a can of chickpeas that had also been soaking for that day, I guess. Stir that around. Get the flavors nice and incorporated. And then we're gonna add about a few tablespoons of tomato paste and about half of a can of full-fat coconut milk. That's gonna add a bit of creaminess to the texture. Go ahead and stir that around. All right, and then I like to add about a half of a squeeze of fresh lemon. It's just gonna brighten up the flavors a little bit, wake everything up, balance out the spices. All right, and I actually forgot to add sea salt, so that's where I'm adding it here. Season liberally. I did about a teaspoon of sea salt. And then I love to add a bay leaf in. But yeah, go ahead and give it a nice stir. All right, now we're gonna lid it and let this simmer for about 30 to 45 minutes. Keep an eye on it. And you just wanna stir occasionally so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Oh, there it is. This is my favorite plant-based recipe. Guys, what's your favorite plant-based recipe? Comment below. You could easily make this vegan by swapping out the ghee with coconut oil too. Look at it, that's it. It's so good, y'all. Nice and spicy, warm, especially for the winter. It really just warms you up. This on top of some quinoa. And then I'm adding some microgreens on here. Just some added nutrients, kind of bulk it up a bit. Now we're gonna do our taste. Very excited for this. Looks so good. Smells really good too. Cheers. I love curry. This is one of the easiest, cheapest meals you can make, and nutritious. So nutrient dense. Honestly, I think this is definitely one of my favorite plant-based meals. If you do not want to be inflamed, okay, get you some dried beans, some chickpeas, tomatoes, just all fresh ingredients. Just throw them together. Literally, you see it's a one pot dish. You put it in your pot and it cooks It's so quick. Also, it's cheaper to get the dried beans versus the can. You get it in bulk. It'll last longer. Just soak it overnight. Literally do this. It's gonna make dinner so easy. Tons of fiber, very anti-inflammatory, great for your immune system, and just straight up delicious. Definitely make this, give this a try. Comment below and let me know what you think. And guys, I just wanna thank you so much for watching. Be sure to watch our videos. We've got some more up here and up here. Like and subscribe. Eat well, be well, and I will see you next time.